Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to mute someone's story on Instagram using your Android phone. If you don't want to see someone's stories, but don't want to unfollow or block them, Instagram lets you mute their stories easily. Let me show you how. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, you will see stories at the top. Find the person's story that you want to mute. Don't tap to watch it. Instead, press and hold their profile picture. This will bring up some options for their story. In the pop-up menu, tap on mute. Now select mute stories. That's it. You will no longer see their stories in your main story feed. If the person has not posted a story yet, you can mute them from their profile. Go to their Instagram profile. Tap on the following button. Select mute. Toggle on mute story. Now their stories will be hidden from your feed. If you ever want to unmute their stories, follow these steps. Scroll to the end of the stories row and look for muted stories. Press and hold their profile picture. Now click on unmute story. Now their stories will start showing up again in your feed. And that's it. Now you know how to mute someone's story on Instagram on your Android phone. This is a great way to declutter your feed without unfollowing anyone. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.